Hey, in this video, I will show you how to make a Facebook account completely private in 2021. If you appreciate me making a video just like this, you can go ahead and give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. You can subscribe if you are new with notifications on. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. And by the way, comment down below which country are you watching this video from. I really am curious to see where you guys and girls are from. So what you want to do is actually go on the Facebook app and click at the bottom right corner on the three dashes, the menu. On some Android devices, it's at the top. Then what you want to do is go down and select settings and privacy. Then a menu will open up just like this. You want to select privacy shortcuts, and here you can find a lot of information that now we need to change. Review a few important privacy settings. This is what you want to click, and from here we want to click it on who can see what you share. Click here. When it loads up, here you can edit settings regarding profile information, posting stories, and blocking. So let's start with your email address. I would suggest that you keep it to only me, which means only you can see it. Maybe you have it to your friends or public or close friends. I would suggest you keep it to yourself. It's very important. Hackers might access your email or hack your email to get to your Facebook account. Then date of birth. I'm hiding this, and it's good that you would hide it as well. So you want to click on only me on it, and the year that you were born, only me. Hometown, I'm hiding this again. It says where it is. Maybe it's blurred for you while I'm doing this, but you want to click on it and make it say only me. Relationship, only me. Current city, only me. Work, only me. Education. I keep some of this public. If you want to have a completely private Facebook account, maybe you want to turn this to only me as well. That's it. And what's very important is at the bottom it says friends and following. Who can see your friends list on your profile? Only me. That's important. And then who can see the people pages and lists you follow? Friends. And you can also set this to only me if you really want to be safe. Another thing you can do is go back 2 times, and then you have how people can find you on Facebook. You can click here, and here you can edit settings regarding friend requests, phone number and email addresses, and search engines. You're in control of who can send you requests. Who can send your friend request? You can make it to only me or friends of friends to make it very, very tight and very safe. This is what I would suggest if you want a completely private experience. And then your data settings on Facebook, apps and websites, face recognition, location. You can edit all of that. You can see which accounts are you logged in with your Facebook accounts. Revoke the access if you want to, and then click on next. You can play around with your location and other things. Your ad preferences on Facebook, you can edit this as well if you like. You can learn more about ads, profile information, and social interactions. I really hope that this video helped you out. This is the idea. I'm creating hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. And all I want from you is to just like the video, because each like gets us a few more views, and that's really, really helpful. If this video helped you out, again, like it, and I want to see you in the next one.